Welcome back, episode 5, Spring Break Archives.
Yeah, dude. Today there's gonna be some pow falling from the sky. I don't know. God must be feeling the gnar. So we're here with my parents, and we're gonna hit the first run right now and see how it goes. You guys see that? Max, what is that?
Powder.
That's fresh powder, baby! Yo, check it out, dude. We got a fresh 1/4 inch of powder sprinkled over here like glazed donuts, so we're just gonna be shredding on it, dude.
Did it.
Dang.
Destroyed that lens. Okay, we're back. Cleaned up, showered. We're about to eat dinner. I'm going to end this episode early so we can wake up early in the morning.
For the fresh powder,
For that.
which was whack! The slopes, whack! The terrain park, whack! Me, it was pretty good, so.